Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online session. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter from your textbook, and the next poem in your chapter is Tale of Custard the Dragon, written by Ogden Nash, a comic poet. So this poem is a ballad. So what is a ballad? The poem which tells a story is known as a ballad. You have already studied about ballads which narrates some tales of courage and heroism. But this poem is a humorous ballad. Just like I said, it's a comical poem in which the main character is a girl named Belinda. And through this poem, the poet is talking about her 4 pets. A kitten, a mouse, a dog and a dragon. And she named all these pets with different names related to their character. And the poet says that all the 3 pets, kitten, mouse and dog, and they are very courageous. But her dragon, it's a little bit coward. Now look at the poem. And it's a poem, it's a ballad which has a rhyme scheme. You have to find the rhyme scheme of the poem. Now look at the poem. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a really truly little pet dragon. So all are there in her house. Belinda lived in a little white house. The house is a small white house with a black kitten. So the color of her kitten is black, and a grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon. Wagon is a vehicle. And really truly little pet dragon and a real true dragon. So these are her pets. A kitten, a mouse, a dog and a dragon. A really truly, a real, truly a pet dragon she has. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse she called him Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard. So these are the names of her kitten, of her pet, and why she named it so. So now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. So her kitten, it was named as Ink and its color was black. So her black little kitten was named Ink, and the little grey mouse, she called him Blink. So the name of her mouse was, grey mouse was Blink, and the little yellow dog was Sharp as Mustard, and the dog, its color was yellow and it was named as Mustard. Mustard flower, you know, it is so sharp, has that sharp flavor. So it's Mustard. So the dog is Mustard. But the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard. But her dragon, it was a coward dragon. It was not courage. All other pets were so brave and courageous. But our dragon was a coward one and she called her Custard. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and really truly daggers on his toes. So the appearance, how physically the dragon appears like. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. So our dragon, it has a big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. On top of his body there are spikes, just like we have seen on the body of the dragon. It has spikes on his body, and underneath his body there are scales like a fish and all. So it has spikes and scales all over his body, spikes on the top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace. So its mouth is just like a fireplace, glowing fireplace, and chimney for a nose, and nose is like a chimney, and really truly daggers on his toes, and his toes really truly there, its nails are like daggers. So this meek dragon, dragon was so meek, but its appearance was so ferocious, with sharp teeth, spikes and scales on his body, and mouth like a fireplace and nose like a chimney. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears. Our Belinda, the little girl Belinda, she was a very brave girl, just like a barrel full of bears. And Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. And Ink and Blink, who is Ink, the kitten, and Blink, who is Blink, the mouse, they are also so brave, courageous. They chased lions down the stairs. So, Part want to say that these animals, these pets were so courageous, and Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage. So, the Mustard, that dog, it was so courageous. It was just like a dog who was in rage, very angry. But Custard cried for a nice safe cage. But our Custard, the dragon, it always cried for a very safe cage in which he will be very safe. So all other animals except our Custard, except the dragon, was so courageous. Belinda tickled him, she tickled him unmercifully. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely call him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the really truly cowardly dragon. So Belinda tickled him. You know, we used to tickle these small babies. We used to tickle this kitten and all. So Belinda tickled this dragon like a baby, tickled him unmercifully, without any mercy. And Ink, Blink and Mustard, all other three pets, they rudely called him Percival. Percival is a name of a knight, a warrior, knight of King Arthur. Okay, so these animals mockingly made fun of him by calling him with the name Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the really truly cowardly dragon. So all these three pets and Belinda, she made fun of this animal, made fun of this dragon, and sat laughing in the little red wagon, that vehicle. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. So she giggled. Giggle means laugh without making much noise. So she giggled like anything. And Blink said weak, which is giggling for a mouse. So this Belinda, that girl, was wiggling like anything. The mouse was also wiggling like anything, and it made the sound weak. Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, when Custard cried for a nice safe cage. When Custard, the dragon, was asking for a nice safe cage, all others made fun of him. So read the poem up to here. The rest of the poem we will discuss in our next session. So summary of the poem is given as a note. Download it and keep it for future reference. Till we meet in our next session. Take care. Bye bye.